Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my banners because they're cool. Alright, let's go. So first thing you're going to need to do, open up your web browser. Then you just kind of search up Photopea or use Photoshop if you have it. After opening up Photopea, new project, YouTube cover. And then what you need to do, click down here, color fill. And so make sure that the background color here while you're doing the color fill. But to change the color after setting it, you just click right here, double click. You want to make it a bit light. You don't want it to be completely white, but you also don't want it to be fully red. You'll understand why later. So I'd recommend making it kind of light like this. And then right here, you're just going to want to change this color at the bottom here to full red. You want to click this brush tool here, turn the smooth all the way up, mouse here and moving it like that. I'm going to turn the size up a bit. I'd recommend doing like 100. And then right here, you want to click, this is the new layer button. You want to make a new layer. And then you're just going to want to draw like wavy lines going to the corners like this. And you want to go filter, pixelate, mosaic, and just turn it all the way up. Effects, outer glow, change this to white, opacity 100%, and then it's optional, but you can turn the size all the way down. If you want it to be like glowy like this, you can turn the size up. So I'd recommend a 10 pixels because I want it to be at least a little glowy. And then you want to make a new layer again with this little button right here to switch it. Make sure you're still in paint mode. And then you want to go like the other way for the wavy lines. Other way than the white lines. So this creates a bit of like separation. And you want to click this EFF button right here or whatever. Drop shadow. But just note this will also be the same for the white lines. So I'd recommend doing like low distance, not too much spread. The size should be kind of high, not too high, and the spread all the way down pretty much. So this looks good. Then you switch the color again, and then just repeat those steps, but do the wavy lines the other way. Try not to replicate the pixelated lines like too much. Add a drop shadow, should look pretty good. Then you have the background, and you want to go to text here. Do not add a text yet. If you accidentally did add a text, you can just delete it by pressing delete. And then, so what you want to do, turn on the stroke like this, maybe like 10 pixels, and then make it like the color that you want. So I recommend making it kind of like light red. I just did something wrong. So after making your background, you want to put a text here, change the color of this, and you want the stroke to be like 10 pixels. Put a text like in the middle here. So replace the your name here with your like actual channel name. And add a drop shadow, and you want to make it kind of small so that it actually like fits in the banner. And then this part is optional, but you're gonna want to change the stroke fully red and then type in subscribe. Make the stroke kind of small. This is gonna be like a little addition, and then of course you also want to add a drop shadow. Take the your name here and subscribe, and then you just move them to the middle. That's pretty much how to make my banners. Then you just export as PNG, and then yeah. If you want to test it, you can just go to like YouTube Studio, go to customization, change, and then you do this. And yeah, that's pretty much how to make my banners. Bye-bye.